So here is a couple of different ways how we can fix the iPhone camera being bad quality. Now, first of all, if we head over to our camera, right, if you first of all are using the front camera, you may want to try and turn it around and use the back camera and get some sort of mirror on the back to be able to record yourself if you are recording yourself for any social media, because the front camera is way worse than the back ones. Now, if this has been fully done right, what we can do to try and improve the quality of our camera is go to the top left hand corner here and click on the options. And then first of all, you've got the option between log and HDR. So HDR, what I like to do is I like to disable this because it can make it look a little bit weird at times. And log is the highest quality that you can shoot in on iPhone. But bear in mind that the file sizes for log are very, very big, and you will need to do post editing after you take a photo or video on that setting. Now, obviously, what you can do is go back. So what I do normally is I leave this as off. On the resolution, you've then got an option between HD and 4K. So HD is obviously 1080p, 4K is the best quality that you can find on iPhone at the current moment in time. So you want to make sure that you click on 4K, and the frame rate here is relatively up to you, I suppose. But what I like to do is if I'm shooting for a cinematic, I will like to use 24 frames per second. Some people use 30, but I like to use 24 frames. Now, if you want to use 60 frames per second, that's absolutely fine. But what I would do is I would make all of your camera settings look like this. And then down here, you've got options for the different lenses and different zooms at the bottom. So you want to make sure that your settings look like this for the best possible quality that you can have on your iPhone.